Hello, everyone, and welcome to another FX Centrum daily market analysis. For today, I decided to go for our cross asset list, our liquid cross asset list. I will cover euro dollar, I will speak about Australian dollar, US dollar, USD yen, pound dollar, USD Canadian dollar, gold market, silver, US 500, US 30, WTI, Bitcoin dollar, coffee, and cocoa market. I will do so by using our FX Centrum platform for charting. And let's begin with a euro dollar market. So what we have here is the daily time frame. As you can see here on the top, D1 represents a daily time frame. And we can see here that market is trading in the consolidation. Basically, yesterday we had an inside day. The day before we had inside day relative to this big up day here, meaning that market is in a consolidation and there is a potential for the breakout in next period. So far, market is still slow. We don't have any high tempo. Eventual downside breakout of the 1.0894 might be a good sign for the drop towards the 1.0795. But from another side, if market can take the pin bar high at 1.1008, there will be a chance then for the rally, maybe even towards 1.1120. But for now, market is in a consolidation environment. Australian dollar, US dollar, we had such a big buying tail a couple of days ago around the lower Bollinger Band, and this marked the low probably for the week, for this week. Yesterday we had a doji candle, and if the market can retake this resistance, it's 0.6575, there will be a chance for a rally, and eventual retest of 0.6700 mark. So for now, observing this pin bar high and watching for potential breakout. If we see the downside breakout of the low of the yesterday's low, then we can see maybe even retest of the 0.6430. For now, buying tail in the background and the end of the downside swing. USDN also had a bullish buying tail, let's say, a couple of days ago around the lower Bollinger Band after the extended period to the downside. And we can see here we have something similar, the pin bar high. If the market can retake 147.90, there will be a chance for the rally, maybe even towards the 151.50, which is the middle Bollinger Band. Again, so far, market is trading around 146.29, which is basically a mid-range, the mid area from the previous day. Pound dollar, still sellers are in control. I see if the market can rebreak 1.2672, there will be a chance for a 1.2620 to be on the test. Short term, we have a downside environment, and still we have this pin bar high. If the market can retake pin bar high at 1.2740, there will be a chance for a rally towards the 1.2798. On the USD Canadian dollar, our trade idea is progressing well from a few days ago. This bull trap that happened at this point is progressing very well, and market is down. It's trading at 1.3731. I still see potential for the further drop, short-term speaking, and for the market to trade even towards the 1.3590 mark. So short-term speaking, potential for the further drop towards the key support zone on the USD Canadian dollar. On the gold market, we can see that market is in a heavy consolidation in the last 20 days, touching around the lower and upper Bollinger Band on daily time frame. More inside days, pin bar, so I will wait for the breakout of either resistance or support to confirm per directional move. On the silver is we have a relative weakness on the silver, but still we can see last few days we have a consolidation, we have support right around 26.38. And only if we can break that and hold below, there is a chance for 26 to be on the test, or even 24.50. Otherwise, we can see the reaction up or maybe more consolidation. US 500 had quite a big selling tail yesterday. There was a rally and then market closed near the low. Still, the pin bar buying tail that happened a few days ago is still in the play, and this might be the low for this week. But in case of the rebreak of 5,090 mark, there will be a chance for a drop, maybe even towards 5,000 mark. Otherwise, I see potential for the range development in this area, so especially around this previous day range. US 30, Again, more consolidation after the drop to break below the lower Bollinger Band. We can see sideways market. So we have a support at this point here and resistance at this previous swing high. So I will wait for the potential breakout of the support or the resistance in order to confirm further directional move. On a WTI, we had a bullish day. So we had a more consolidation. There was like buying tail, and there was a fresh up day yesterday. We'll see if we can have some follow through, maybe towards 77.60. If we have a follow through, so another rebreak on the hourly, then 77.60 will be in the play. If we see the down break, maybe if the market clears 74.50, then there is a chance for a drop towards 72.60. So that is the situation on the WTI. On the Bitcoin dollar, which we can see that this looked like a bear flag market. There was a attempt for the market to sell, and then so far market is contracting. As long as the market is trading, I will say above this 58,400 or so, there is a still chance for a further drop. As long as the market is trading below this area, if the market will make a new higher high and continue higher, then there is a potential reaction on the daily time frame. But so far we had some pin bar selling tail from yesterday. So if this can hold, there is a still chance for a downside price. But for now, market is in consolidation after this significant drop that happened in the background. So this is pretty normal after the quite a big drop to have like a consolidation or small rally or reaction before the potential downside continuation. On the coffee market, I learned about this. So there was a gap up just around the lower Bollinger Band. There was a gap up and hold above. So coffee is really, there is a demand in the last few days. So I see potential for the 251 to be on the test, or even 257. R looks pretty supportive. Maybe some pullback first, but then there is a potential, to watch for the upside continuation on the hourly time frame. And on the cocoa market, cocoa also had reaction. So both cocoa and coffee got reactions from the lower Bollinger Bands, and we'll see the resistance. So far, we're still in a heavy consolidation if we watch like last 20, 30 days. But there is a chance for the rally potentially towards the upper Bollinger Band and the previous swing highs. That will be all for this FX Centrum daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.